Hi friend, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and as you all know I'm a booktuber and I'm making video on this book. The name of this book is The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way. And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, you will understand it in a better way. Apart from seeing 18 video, 20 video, 43 video, there is quite possibility that you get confused friends, okay? And friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section because I do see the comments and I give answer to each and every comments. And friends, you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. So we'll spell it for you, friends. Okay, it's ABHIMANYU BHATTACHARJW 1906. And friends, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon. So whenever I update a new video, you'll get the notification, friends. Okay, and friends, do share the video with your friends also, friends and families. And friends, in our last video, I've covered a topic called the law of belief. Okay, and friends, in our today's video, I'm going to cover this topic called prayer therapy is the combined function of the conscious and the subconscious mind scientifically directed. This topic I'm going to cover, friends. Okay, so friends, this is 51 number topic, and name of the topic is prayer therapy is the combined function of the conscious and the subconscious mind scientifically directed. So let us see here what author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay, prayer therapy is synchronized, harmonious, and intelligent function of the conscious and the subconscious level of mind, specially directed for a definite purpose. So, friends, the author Joseph Murphy is telling prayer therapy is a synchronized and the harmonious process of the intelligent function of the conscious and the subconscious level, and which diverts the mind for a specific purpose, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay, in scientific prayer or prayer therapy, you must know what you are doing and why you are doing it. So, your author Joseph Murphy is telling in prayer therapy and in scientific therapy, we must know that what we are doing and why we are doing it. So, knowing this is very important for us, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. You trust the law of healing. Prayer therapy is something referred to as mental treatment. So, your author Joseph Murphy is telling that if we trust the treatment called healing, then prayer therapy is something referred to be a mental treatment, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us on this topic. And another term is scientific prayer. So, your author Joseph Murphy is telling, and another term for it is scientific prayer, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. In prayer therapy, you consciously choose a certain idea, material, picture, or plan which you desire to experience. So, your author Joseph Murphy is telling that in the prayer therapy, we consciously choose a certain idea, mental picture, or plan which we desire to experience, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. You realize your capacity to convey this idea or mental image to your subconscious by the feeling the reality of the state assumed. So here author Joseph Murphy is telling friends that we realize the capacity to convey the idea or the mental image of our subconscious mind to whichever is the reality state we assume, friends. Okay, so according to us, whichever is the reality, we make our subconscious mind trust that this is the reality, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. As you remain faithful in your mental attitude, your prayer will be answered. So, your author Joseph Murphy is telling if we remain faithful to our mental attitude, our prayer will be surely answered, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. Prayer therapy is a definite mental action for a definite special purpose. So, your author Joseph Murphy is telling that prayer therapy is a definite mental action for a definite specific purpose, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. Let us suppose that you decide to heal a certain difficult by prayer therapy. So, your author Joseph Murphy is telling, let us suppose that we decide to heal a certain difficulty by the prayer therapy. You are aware that your problem or sickness, whatever it may be, must be caused by negative thought charged with the fear and lodged in your subconscious mind. So, your author Joseph Murphy is telling that we are aware that the negative thoughts may be lodged by the subconscious mind and caused by the negative thought, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. And what if you can succeed in cleaning your mind of this thought, you will get a healing. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling, if we are able to clean the thought of our mind, then we will definitely get healing, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. You therefore turn to the healing power within your subconscious mind and remind yourself of its infinite power and intelligence and the capacity to heal the conditions. So, your author Joseph Murphy is telling that we therefore turn our healing power within our subconscious mind and we remind ourselves the infinite power and the intelligence capacity to heal the conditions, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. As you dwell on this truth, your fear will begin to dissolve. So, your author Joseph Murphy is telling, as we dwell in this truth, our fear will begin to dissolve, friends. Okay, and the recollection of this truth also correct the erroneous belief. So, your author Joseph Murphy is telling the recorrection of this truth also corrects the enormous belief, friends. Okay, you give thanks for the healing that you know will come. So, your author Joseph Murphy is telling that we give thanks to the enormous feeling of healing that we know that is going to come to us, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us on this topic. And then you keep your mind off the difficult until you feel guided after an interval to pray again. So, your author Joseph Murphy is telling that we keep our mind in the difficult situation to be guided after the interval to pray again, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. While you are praying, you absolutely refuse to give any power to the negative condition. So when we are praying, we always try to refuse our mind to give the power to negative condition. That means we should never give the oxygen to the negative condition in our life and in our mind, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. Or to admit for a second that the healing will not come. So in a second, negative thought should not come, that the healing doesn't come. So if we always think positive, healing is going to definitely come in our life, friends. And if we think negative, the healing process is not going to happen in our life. So it is very important for us is to think positive, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. This attitude of mind brings this attitude of mind brings about the harmonious union of the conscious and subconscious mind, which releases the healing power. Friends, here author Joseph Murphy is telling that this attitude of the mind brings about the harmonious union of the conscious and subconscious mind, which heals the healing power, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. So, friends, in our today's video, I have covered a concept called prayer therapy. Is the combined function of the conscious and the subconscious mind scientifically directed. This topic I have covered, friends. Okay, and friends, in our next video I'm going to cover the topic called faith healing, what it means and how blind faith works. This I'm going to cover, friends. Okay, so friends, this topic came to an end, and I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care. And I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, friends. Okay, and I will be meeting you in the next video.